Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You know there is a party in my friend's house today, but the problem is I need to complete some reports. If I decide to prepare the reports, I cannot spend time with my friends and will miss all the fun. You must have faced such situation where you had to choose one and let go of the other. In fact, making choices is a part of our lives as our resources are limited. We do not have unlimited amount of money or time. But do you know every choice made in life has a cost? What is this cost? Why does this cost matter? Does economics help us to make better decisions in life? In today's video, we are going to find out answer to all these questions. In one of my previous tutorials, we have learned about two very important economic concepts, scarcity and choice. Today we are going to learn about a related concept, opportunity cost. If you have not watched the tutorial on scarcity and choice, you can do so by clicking the I button that you can see on the top of the screen now. Think of a situation where you had to choose between attending a lecture and watching a movie with your friends. You cannot be at both the places at the same time, so you need to choose one and let go of the other. We also make choices while spending the limited purchasing power we have. For instance, making a choice between purchasing a winter clothing or having a delicious lunch in a restaurant. If you decide to attend the lecture and purchase a winter clothing, then these are the best alternatives according to you. So watching a movie with your friends or having lunch in a restaurant are the second best alternatives in these situations. Opportunity cost is the value of what you lose when choosing between two or more options. It is the value of the next best alternative when a decision is made. In other words, it refers to the value of what you have to give up in order to choose something else. Opportunity cost arises as our resources are limited. We have finite amount of time, money and expertise. Opportunity cost can be measured in terms of time, money, effort or utility. Why does opportunity cost matter? Opportunity cost is an excellent tool that can help us calculate the benefits and the cost of choices we make. Opportunity cost can impact various aspects of our lives, which include money, business, family, career, etc. By understanding the true cost of every choice, anyone can make more logical and beneficial decisions. All individuals have their own set of preferences and choices, so their opportunity cost would also be different. Let's go back to the two situations that we have referred to earlier. If you choose to attend a lecture, then your opportunity cost is the sacrifice of entertainment and social life. When you choose to buy a winter clothing, then you are sacrificing a delicious lunch. So the opportunity cost is the value of buying a lunch at the restaurant. Points to remember. We have unlimited wants, but our resources are limited. Due to scarcity of resources, choices must be made. Every opportunity has gains as well as losses. Every choice made in life has an opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is the cost of the next best alternative foregone. The same choice will have different opportunity costs for different people. I hope you'll find this tutorial useful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. See you next time. Till then, take care and bye-bye.